Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series where we dive deep into India's top mutual funds. In this episode, we're shining a light on Nippon India Small Cap, a fund that attempts to generate relatively better risk-adjusted returns by focusing on the smaller capitalization companies. Now, if you've missed our earlier videos, don't worry. You can explore those videos by clicking the info button. We've already covered mutual fund schemes from top AMCs like Motilal Oswal, Quant, DSP, HDFC AMC, and many more. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, including the fund's key details, investment strategy, market cap mix, top holdings, sector exposures, fund manager insights, investment structure, historical returns, and of course, the taxation structure. So let's dive right into it, starting with a quick introduction to who we are. We are PA Wealth, a full-spectrum investment firm offering expert guidance in PMS, mutual funds, AIFs, bonds, insurance, SME IPOs, startup investments, and Dubai real estate. Subscribe to stay connected with the latest trends and smart opportunities. Alright, let's start with the basic details of the Nippon India Value Fund. Launched on the 16th of September 2010, this mutual fund scheme currently manages assets worth around 66,601 crore rupees. Moving on to the investment strategy, this fund follows a high-risk, high-return approach with a strong allocation to small-cap stocks and tactical allocation across market caps to balance risk. It takes the right risk by investing in quality companies with strong fundamentals currently overlooked by the market. The strategy uses a bottom-up approach, identifying stock-specific winners rather than relying on sector trends. Let's now explore the portfolio mix by category-wise holdings. In this fund's portfolio, large-cap form 13% of the total allocation. Mid-cap account for 14.7%, small-cap for 68.3%. The remaining 4% is held in cash and cash equivalents. Now, let's check out the top 10 holdings of this fund. The top 10 holdings include Multicom, HDFC Bank, Curl Brothers, Karur Vysya Bank, Elantas Bank, Upper Industries, Tube Investments, State Bank of India, BHEL, and Pfizer. Moving on to the top 10 sector exposures. The fund is primarily exposed to the following sectors: banks, consumer durables, capital goods non-electrical equipment, capital goods electrical equipment, pharmaceuticals, IT software, chemicals, FMCG, auto ancillaries, and financial services. Let's now meet the fund managers of the scheme. Sameer Raj. He has over 25 years of experience in fields like senior analyst in research, head of research and portfolio manager, heading research team and generating reports and ideas, managing PMS products. Now let's take a look at the investment details. The minimum investment is 100 rupees SIP and 5,000 rupees for lump sum. There is no entry load. For exit load, 1% is applicable if units are redeemed or switched out on or before completion of 1 year from the date of allotment of nil thereafter. Let's move on to the returns generated. In the last 1 year, the fund has delivered return of -6.43%, while the benchmark have the return of -5.40%. In the last 3 years, the fund has delivered a return of 24.75%, and the benchmark gave return of 23.56%. In 5 years, the fund generated the return of 35.79%, with benchmark providing return of 31.27%. Finally, let's discuss the taxability of earnings from this fund. Starting with capital gains. If you sell units after 1 year, gains up to 1.25 lakh rupees in a financial year are tax-free. Gains above 1.25 lakh rupees are taxed at 12.5%. If you sell units within 1 year, the entire gain is taxed at 20%. Now let's talk about dividend taxation. Dividends are added to the income of the investors and taxed according to their respective tax slabs. If an investor's dividend income exceeds rupees 5,000 in a financial year or 10,000 after the 1st of April 2025, the fund house also deducts a TDS of 10% before distributing the dividend. That's all for today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more research-based financial content. Don't forget to click the bell icon for alerts on potential multi-bagger stocks. Got a mutual fund you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.